Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about hidden opportunities with Amazon's Product Opportunity Explorer. Let's get into it. Amazon's Product Opportunity Explorer is a powerful tool designed to help sellers identify profitable product niches and validate ideas using real marketplace data. Despite its potential, it remains underutilized by many sellers. When a keyword or niche is entered into the tool, one of the first metrics revealed is the distribution of traffic. Specifically, the tool displays how many listings are responsible for receiving 90% of the total customer clicks in that niche. This provides immediate insight into the competitive landscape. A high number of listings receiving 90% of the clicks indicates a fragmented market. This often means that no single seller dominates the category, presenting more opportunities for new entrants to gain visibility and sales. On the other hand, if only a handful of listings capture most of the traffic, it typically suggests a saturated market where breaking through may require significant investment in reviews, advertising, and brand presence. Additionally, the Product Opportunity Explorer outlines the top 5 listings in the category and how much traffic they collectively receive. A wide gap between the total listings receiving 90% of clicks and the top 5 listings share often signals a diverse and open market. Another critical insight provided by the tool is the average number of reviews and average product rating across top-performing listings. This data helps sellers benchmark their own listings. For instance, if the average rating among top listings is 4.2 and a seller's product holds a 4.6 rating, it suggests a competitive advantage in terms of potential conversion rate. Review volume is also essential. If the average number of reviews is moderate and achievable, new sellers have a viable path to competitiveness through structured launch campaigns and early review strategies. The Insights section within the Product Opportunity Explorer includes detailed customer review analysis. It consolidates positive and negative feedback across listings, enabling sellers to identify common issues and unmet needs within a niche. This information can be used to develop more competitive product offerings or optimize existing ones for improved customer satisfaction. Incorporating external traffic strategies becomes even more effective when aligned with data from the Opportunity Explorer. Understanding the competitive spread, review landscape, and traffic patterns allows sellers to make informed decisions about which niches are worth investing in and how to differentiate their offerings. Overall, the Product Opportunity Explorer empowers sellers to reduce risk and validate product ideas using clear, performance-based metrics. It supports smarter launch planning, more effective optimization, and improved long-term results. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.